Hi Ken, you're presenting a poster here at HPLC conference. What is it about and why is this topic particularly relevant right now?
This one's about helping the industry develop green chemistry for analytics. There's a big push in the industry to reduce solvent costs, and when you look at oligonucleotide analysis, you have ion pairs in there which contaminate HPLCs and MS systems, but it also uses solvents, it also uses HFIP, which is highly fluorinated, and it's a forever chemical. It doesn't disappear, it's an environmental hazard, so really it's methods to try to stop using those chemicals.
What was your main research question and how did you go about answering it?
It's difficult to actually develop a green chemistry. To get a fully green chemistry, you shouldn't be using high amounts of solvent, you shouldn't be using chemicals like HFIP, and there's very limited chemistries you can use to do this. Most of the industry's gone to helic mode, and that gets rid of the HFIP, but it still uses an extremely high amount of solvent. Here we're using reverse phase. We're not compromising on the analytics. The sensitivity's high, the sensitivity's lower if you use helic. We've got rid of all the ion pairs, and it makes things a lot easier to use. If you look at a method now that just uses a simple ammonium acetate eluent with reverse phase, if you can eliminate by cleaning the HPLCs, eliminate all the metal addicts. We've now got high sensitivity because we haven't got salts in high concentrations. We're not using high solvents. Solvent concentration just goes up to 30%. But because that we've kept the analysis clean, if you look at the bottom trace there, it's very, very easy to do the quantitation. We can now just see the main full-length product. All these smaller peaks are the real impurities. The source isn't producing in-source impurities. We've got rid of all the addicts. There's no amines in there. There's no metal addicts. So it's a very clean, easy way to do quantitation without using solvents, without using HFIP, and it's not compromising the data, and it's making life a lot simpler for the analyst. Going forward, there's a lot of these new drugs in the analytical pipeline. There's also a lot in clinical trials. They all need new methods, and if these methods can be done without using the harmful solvents and the fluorinated compounds, it's going to make the world cleaner for when these medicines do come out. They're in SOPs, and this analysis is done again and again in the industry and in contract analysis labs.